Growing an e-commerce store isn't just about getting more traffic. It's about making every order worth more. Offer the right upgrade at the right moment. You aren't just selling more, you're helping your customers get more value. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. 5 proven upsell strategies to skyrocket your revenue, and I'm showing you the exact steps to build them using FluentCart and FluentCRM. If you're looking into e-commerce automation or ways to increase average order value in WordPress, you are in the right place. Even if you use different tools, these strategies are your roadmap to growth. Let's start with the simplest and fastest upsell tactic. Strategy 1: Order bumps. The first strategy is called an order bump. This is a small add on offer shown right before checkout. Instead of asking customers to make another purchase later, you give them a quick upgrade option while they're already buying. It's simple, frictionless, and incredibly effective. Let's see how to set this up in FluentCart. If you open the order bump, you can easily add a new one with the name and the promotional product effortlessly. Now, enable the order bump and write a short description that explains the offer to your customers. Then, add a discount to make the offer more appealing and even enable options like free shipping if you want. By enabling conditions, you can control when this order bump appears. For instance, you can show it only when certain products are in the cart or when the cart value reaches a certain amount. Update the changes, and your order bump is ready and will appear right at checkout when the conditions are met. It's a simple tactic, but it can instantly increase your average order value without spending more on ads. But what happens if a customer doesn't accept the offer? Or what if you want to upsell them later instead of during checkout? Strategy 2: Post purchase upsells. Our next strategy will bring them back automatically. Post purchase is a golden hour of e commerce. It's a perfect moment when the trust is highest and the opportunity is biggest. And this is exactly where Fluent CRM turns a one time buyer into a repeat customer. Because Fluent CRM integrates natively with FluentCart, your customer and order data sync automatically. That means you can create automated upsell funnels based on any purchase. Let me show you how. Inside Fluent CRM, open the automation panel and create a new workflow from scratch. Then, choose a trigger from FluentCart, such as order delivered. Name the automation something like post-purchase upsell automation. You can also choose a specific product or category to trigger it, or simply leave it blank to run the workflow for every order. Now, instead of sending a sales email immediately, give the customer 3 or 4 days to experience the product first. After that, send an email asking for their feedback. Here's a smart trick. Customers who respond positively can be tagged as satisfied customers, while those with negative feedback can be tagged as unhappy customers. Now, before sending the upsell email, we'll add a condition step to check whether the customer is happy or not, and save the changes. Satisfied customers receive a hyper targeted upsell recommendation based on their journey. If they aren't happy, we skip the sales pitch and trigger a win back or recovery sequence instead. This is how you protect your brand while your upsell feels relevant and personalized, not salesy. But there's another upsell tactic that works incredibly well, especially through email. Strategy number 3: Bundle offers. Well, I'm talking about offering product bundles. Instead of selling one item, you present a complete package that solves a bigger problem. Fluent CRM makes this very easy. It now includes a dedicated FluentCart product block, which lets you handpick specific products with laser precision. Let's see this in action. Create a new automation using a list trigger, name it VIP Bundled Offer, and select the list you want. Next, add a custom email to craft your message, and the next thing is filling the email body with perfect contents. Simply insert the FluentCart product block, choose the products you want to include in the bundle, and you're done. Just like that, your bundle offer is ready to go. This strategy works especially well because customers feel like they're getting more value for their money. But upsells don't always have to be based on purchases. Sometimes the best opportunities come from special moments. Strategy number 4, occasion based upsells. The fourth strategy is occasion based personalization. Moments like birthdays, anniversaries, or special events are perfect opportunities to reconnect with your customers. And with Fluent CRM, this can be automated completely. Using the birthday trigger, we'll set an automation to fire on their special day. Next, pick a custom email and write a catchy subject line like, a gift for your special day. Then, fill the email with personalized content such as special birthday discount or exclusive offer as a gift. Once you give this the green light, Fluent CRM continues to celebrate and sell on your behalf, 365 days a year on autopilot. Because the message is tied to a personal moment, it feels thoughtful rather than promotional. And that makes customers much more likely to engage. Strategy number 5, behavior based upselling. Finally, we have the smartest strategy in the playbook, behavior based upselling. Instead of offering the same promotion to everyone, you trigger upsells when customers show specific signals. For instance, when someone enrolls in your basic course, you might upsell them to an advanced one. So, how do you do that automatically? Let's start with the tag apply trigger and select the tags where all your learners or customers are stored. Next, add a condition step. And right away, you can choose the properties based on your requirements. This time, let's go with products and select the course or product that should trigger the automation. You can add multiple conditions if you want, but for now, we'll keep it simple and save the settings. Then, add a custom email recommending the next logical upgrade, like an advanced course or premium version. Finally, end the workflow to complete the funnel. Now, whenever the condition is met, the automation will recommend the next logical upgrade automatically. And there you have it. 5 proven upsell strategies to stop leaving money on the table. From simple checkout checkboxes to automated, behavior-driven follow-ups, FluentCart and FluentCRM give you the power of $1 million enterprise without the enterprise price tag. By combining them, you own your data, your funnels, and your profits. If you want to try these tools, I've added links in the description so you can start building these workflows today. For a deeper dive into the Fluent CRM automation example, check out our detailed automation breakdown video linked right below. And if this video helped you discover a smarter way to grow your store, make sure to like the video and subscribe to WPManageNinja for more practical WordPress and e-commerce strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.